it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this kitty litter box, and I'm super excited because this was gifted to me because I have a kitty cat, and who does not want a gifted kitty litter box to give a try? I love these type of kitty litter boxes. They're super easy to use, so many sensors, so easy to clean. But first, let me show you how easy it is to set up, and then I'm going to show you how the app works. So the app is highly versatile, and like you can hit clean and it's going to clean it, which it'll automatically clean once the cat gets out of it. Oh, I paused it. There we go. And see, it shows that it's cleaning. Which
9669.
cleaned it one time, and then if you need to empty out that litter box, you just hit empty. And we're gonna empty it. Kitty litter, and it's gonna dump it right into your little garbage bin catcher. We cleaned it one time. Super simple to connect. I love the app. You're cleaning it when the cat gets into it. So much more. I use my favorite kitty litter box, which is kitty litter, which is the Fresh Step Odor Shield. Pink. So if you have a girly cat and you love the color pink, bonus. But I highly recommend this Step Odor Shield. I use these with all my robotic litter boxes. These work great. Excited to give a try to her new litter box. So it's letting me know she's in the litter box. It's giving me a cat notification.